I'm Jason Newsom, and this is the circumference measuring assignment. And this is Joe, and he will be my subject today.
I'm Joe, and I have signed the activity waiver, and I understand all of it. I have asked questions on it, and I would still like to participate in this.
And to begin, Joe, we will be using this tape measure to measure you today. And if you could please bring your shirt a little bit so I can measure your abdomen. To measure the abdomen, we will look and see the widest part of the abdomen at the umbilicus or just above it. And we'll mark that spot so we know where to measure. Go up and around. Try to make sure the tape measure is nice and flat. And when we pull it tight, we will pull it tight enough that it's snug, but not snug enough that we're compressing the subcutaneous adipose tissue. And that's going to put us right at 900 centimeters. And we'll record that first one. Then in order to ensure accuracy, we will do it again. As long as we're within 5 centimeters of the first measurement, we will be fine. If not, we'll have to measure again. And it's 903 centimeters. So that's well within the range
of acceptable accuracy.
And you can shirt down, thank you. Now if you could roll up your right sleeve, please. And to measure the arm, we will be measuring from the acromion process to the olecranon process. And that is, could you please bend your elbow to a 90, thank you. And that is 40 centimeters, millimeters, 400 millimeters, sorry. And we will mark that. Half of that is 200, and that will be right here. From there, we will measure that point. And relax your arm, please. Thank you. And that is 340 centimeters. And we'll record that first measurement. And then we'll do it one more time. And we'll be at 340 centimeters again. So that first measurement was spot on. And then if you'll face this direction, thank you. This direction. This direction. Thank you very much. And now we'll be measuring the buttocks and the hips. So we'll go feet together, please. And I'm going to reach around you and we'll measure the girthiest part of your buttocks. And relax. Thank you. And if you could lift your shirt out of the way, please. So we won't get extra girth. And that'll put us at 1080 centimeters. And now we'll measure again for accuracy. And we'll be at 1085 centimeters, so we're just inside of that range.
You can relax, put your shirt down.
And now if you could face that way, please. We'll be measuring the calf next. And we'll mark the widest part of the calf. Should be right here, so we have a good place to measure from. And that'll be 375 centimeters. And then we'll measure again to ensure accuracy. And the second measurement will be 375. And then if I could have you put your foot on this chair, please, so that your knee is at a 90-degree angle. And if you could pull up your shorts. Thank you. And now we'll measure from the inner edge of the patella to the inguinal process. And that'll be 42. Half of that is 21. Which will be right there. And now we'll measure from that point. That'll be 510 centimeters. And we'll measure a second time. We'll be right at 510 centimeters. And now we'll go to the forearm. So if you stand just like this, palm out, elbow slightly bent, and we'll mark the widest part of the forearm. And then we'll measure. And that'll be 300 centimeters. And this next one will be 295 centimeters. Just within the 5 centimeter range. And now we'll do the hip and thigh measurements. You stand with your feet about 10 centimeters apart. Now I'm going to need to reach in between your legs and measure right under the buttocks. And the first measurement will be 670 centimeters. And the second measurement is 690. So we will have to do that one again because 20 is unacceptable. 20 centimeter difference. And this one is 675. Which pushes us back into that 5 centimeter range that we need to be in. And next we'll do the waist, which is the smallest circumference between the umbilicus and the xiphoid process. So if you could lift your shirt, please. And we'll mark that about there.
I drew a smiley face or something.
Doesn't matter, actually. And that would be 920 centimeters. We'll do it one more time to ensure accuracy. And that's 917 centimeters. Thank you, Joe.
No problem.